Hello everyone, I'm Pharmacist Michael, and today I'm going to continue my series on anti-inflammatory foods, and I'm going to show you how you can make a delicious salmon fillet in only 8 minutes. So stay tuned, I will be right back with you.
Welcome to Pharmacist Michael's Happy Healthy Living channel, where you will learn how to improve your life, one video at a time.
Welcome back everyone. So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make salmon. And I'm going to cook this salmon at 400 degrees for about 8 minutes. So it does depend on how thick your salmon is. It's about 4 minutes per half inch if you're using 400 degrees, which is what I'm gonna do. You can just put butter on the top of salmon if you'd like. You don't even really need a lot of seasonings. I am going to season this just a little bit and I'll show you what I'm going to put on it. But my family doesn't really like salmon, at least my wife doesn't. So one day I was in the store and I was talking to the butcher back there and I said, "What do you do for someone who doesn't like salmon?" And he gave me a great idea. He said, "Just make some blueberry compote to put on top of it." I'm like, "How do you do that?" "Just take some blueberries, a little bit of grape jelly and some lemon juice and cook it until it all boils down and turns into a jelly. Put that on the fish. You can't even taste the salmon." Now for me, that's crazy because I love the taste of salmon, but some people may not. So let's talk about why you would want to eat salmon. What are the benefits? Well, first of all, salmon is very high in omega-3 fatty acids. And we know that omega-3s can help us with a lot of things, including our cholesterol levels, but other things as well. It may actually help with rheumatoid arthritis and some eye problems that we might have. It may also help us think better, believe it or not. Salmon's also very high in protein. It helps with our muscles, it helps fight infections, and it helps repair our cells and build cells, right? So protein's important. Salmon also has tryptophan in it, which can help us sleep. Remember, salmon is a superfood. Salmon has vitamin A. Salmon has vitamin D, and we know vitamin D can help with mood, and it can also help our immune system. It also has B vitamins, such as niacin and B12. B12 helps in the production of red blood cells. Salmon also contains zinc. We've talked about zinc before. Zinc is also important for our immune system. And salmon, wild-caught salmon, which is what I'm going to be cooking tonight, contains antioxidants, which are also anti-inflammatory in nature. So we've got the best of a lot of different worlds with salmon, guys. Now I'm going to make this with just a regular salad, and that's all I'm gonna have for dinner tonight. Salmon and salad, low calorie, high in protein, anti-inflammatory, super good for you. So the only thing that I'm going to put with this salmon is a little bit of olive oil, some salt, some pepper, and a few herbs. And let's see how this turns out. If you know anyone who would like to eat more fish that like salmon, please send this video to them. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel for more happy, healthy living information. I have an Amazon store that you guys can check out in the description section of this video that contains most of the equipment that I use to make my videos, if you're interested in that. It also includes some of the foods that I recommend. And this is just to help me support this channel. At no cost to you, I get just a little bit of money from people who click on the links. There's also links to my company, Sunshine Nutraceuticals, in the description section. My name is Pharmacist Michael, and as I always say, be happy and be healthy.